Welcome to my channel. Alam mga kamaster, I am Master Kukay Pat. For this video guys, come on and join me. Let's travel. Because I do believe in a saying that sa pag-ibig, walang malalim na dagat at walang malayong landas. Maganda ang bagay na pinaghihirapan, pinagsusumikapan, pinagtsatsagaan at darating sa tamang panahon. So without any further ado guys, let's get it on!
Bantige Island is famed for its long stretch of white sand in the middle of the ocean, which is accessible only during low tide. This place is also popular as a stopover to island hoppers because the locals here serves freshly harvested steamed scallops, wasay-wasay, and sea urchins. Cabugao Island, locally known as Cabugao Gamay and sometimes called Cabugao Dako or Cabugao Islet, is a small, uninhabited island in northeastern Iloilo, Philippines. It is one of 14 islands politically administered by the municipality of Carles, along with Bantige Island and Antonia Island. It is one of 3 minor southern islets in the Islas de Gigantes archipelago. Antonia Island. Among the hidden gems of Iloilo is Antonia Beach located in Islas de Gigantes Sur, Carles. Most tourists, even some locals, are unaware that Iloilo province is blessed with white sand beaches sprinkled across its northern coast, jutting out from the eastern side of Gigantes Sur. The stunning white sandbar of Antonia seemingly formed as a small cape. At the tip is an interesting elongated rock formation, which served as a natural wave breaker. Visitors to Antonia are rewarded by the paradise-like white sand beach and inviting emerald green waters, perfect for swimming.